Hello, I'm Dr. Nەwfەl, Assistant Prof Surgical Oncology working in Medical City in Baghdad and in Wars International Cancer Institute in Kەربەلا, Iraq. I'm delighted to have been invited by the scientific committee to the second Middle East Summit of Thyroid Disease in Suleimania, Iraq. We appreciate the scientific and preparation committee's involvement in providing details of the conference program, which will include scientific session on Wednesday, 26th of August, to discuss pre-prepared cases as a MDT committee for tumor. This is a valuable addition, allowing specialists in this field from various countries in the East, West, and Middle East to share their medical opinions. The second and third days will include interactive lectures, workshops, and demonstrate live search operations in the conference hall. Honestly, holding such conference with this level of international participation is a challenge given the current circumstances in the region, and I commend and appreciate the organizers for their success holding this scientific event. We look forward to participation of those interested in this important medical field from all related specialties. We hope to see you in Suleimania, Iraq.